Hello friends, myself Aarti, and today we are going to discuss our topic that is animal kingdom, non-chordates. See, in the non-chordates, we have to study the group that is porifera, colentrata, stenophora, platyhelminthes, askelehelminthes, right? So, lot of the group that we have to study. And yes, of course, there are the subgroups which is little bit creating confusion. So, today we are going to discuss how to study that completely from porifera to askelehelminthes to annelids, then arthropods, molluscans, ganodermata, and hemichordata. So, very simple manner we are going to study. So, very first thing that we are going to discuss about our first group, that is the porifera. So basically here porifera, that is sponges. Okay. So how to study very easy and simple manner. See, so very first thing that we know about the poriferans, that is their habitat, right? So habitat, mostly all these are seen, they are the marine, right? And some are the fresh water, right? So only some are fresh water. So suppose here are the example of Spongilla. So Spongilla is the species that is freshwater species. Now come to the exoskeleton. So exoskeleton is not present here, right? So we can't write it, no exoskeleton. But yes, endoskeleton. Yes, so endoskeleton is present. So endoskeleton is present in the form of spicules, right? Or spongin fibers. Okay. Now come to their next, that is the digestive system. So here, their digestive system. So see their digestive system is completely absent here, right? In the group of poriferans, digestive system is absent, but digestion occur via intracellular. So intracellular digestion occur in the group of porifera, right? Now come to next, that is their respiratory system. So respiratory system, they can respire by their cell surface, right? Then next is their circulatory system. So you can observe their circulatory system. So they all have a circulatory system. They are circulating fluid. So their circulating fluid is only water, right? Now come to their excretory system. So excretory system, again, they can remove their all the nitrogenous waste product via their body surface. Nervous system, next point. So here you can observe no nervous system. So nervous system completely absent. Okay. Then next is their reproduction. So asexual reproduction. Yes, there is asexual reproduction will occur, right? Fragmentation and gemule formation. So you can write here the gemule formation and fragmentation. Now, what about the sexual reproduction? So sexual reproduction is also present. So sexual reproduction, yes, it is present, right? And some they are like hermaphrodite right? Now see their fertilization. So you can observe their fertilization is internal. And development. So you can observe their development is indirect development. Why we can say the indirect development? Because larva that is morphologically distinct from the adult. Therefore, we can say here is the indirect development. Now see, this is the very common point that we are discuss here in the group of porifera, right? Now, what is the unique feature present in poriferans? So what is the special characteristics or a unique feature? So you can take unique features. So here mainly water canal system is present. So this is very important point, water canal system. So what is the function of this water canal system? So if we observe the function here, mainly food gathering. The second function is respiratory exchange. And third is removal of waste, right? Nextly, see when we are going to discuss about their body, right? So let's see the body of a cycon. We are going to take an example of a cycon. Here is the body of cycon. Okay. So there are a lot of pores in their body. So see, there is found a ostia. Okay. Now, what is that ostia? So ostia basically lots of pores that observe in their body. So entire body with the pores and numerous small thing which is called as the ostia. So all these are the ostia, small pores, and osculum, that is one large opening. So one large opening is called as the osculum. So when we talk about the ostia, yes, it is a many number, right? Many in numbers, right? And osculum. So osculum usually one, right? Both they are present on their body surface. And when we talk about the size, so size is very minute and osculum size is large size, right? Now, what about the water flow? So basically ostia, what the ostia will do? So water flow entry. Okay, the main function of ostia, it maintain the water flow entry, while osculum, what they will do? Osculum, water flow exit. What osculum will do? It will helps to remove water. Okay, so water flow exit and entry, which is controlled by the ostia and the osculum. Okay, so as we saw, ostia, many pores present on their body surface, while osculum is only one large opening. Okay, and here is the example. See, this is the cycon, which is called as the common base. This is their body. Okay, now as we saw, so this is the complete spicules which is present on their body surface, right? And this is ostia, small pore. Okay, so this is the example of cycon. Okay, and one large opening, which is called as the osculum. So we can see the any large opening, osculum. Let's take another example, that is the spongilla. So spongilla, look like this. So here is, suppose this is the osculum. Okay, this is spongilla. Okay, spongilla basically called as the freshwater sponge, and eospongia, that is a bath sponge. Okay, and cycon, this is a species. Here is the one more species, that is a euplectella. So euplectella, this is also known as the Venus flower basket. And very much interesting fact about this is the bridal gift used in Japan. Okay, so this is about porifera. In the next video, we are going to see about the colentrata. Thank you.